That was such a failed shot. Good morning. So my parents' window is leaking because California houses are not built up for the rain. So I'm going on an errand run to Lowe's. Yeah. Buy, what am I buying? Flex seal? Something to seal up the windows. Yeah. Can't start driving without some music. No. There. Alright, we're here. It's been so gloomy ever since I got to California. It's weird. See? California is more than sunshine, people. It's raining. Alright, looking for this. I used something like this for, what's it called? My cosplay before to like seal it, but I used the black version. Hopefully I can find it again. I think I'm in the right section. Hey. Is that it? This is what I use for my, what's it called? My cosplay, but I don't know if this is what my dad wants. Woohoo, mission accomplished. Oof, rain. Sai, it's wet. Move. Alright. Hopefully that works. Yeah. It's raining again. Why, California? I was actually looking forward to the sun. Hello, good morning. I'm hanging out with my dad today. And then we're gonna, I don't know what we're doing. We're just running errands. And then we're gonna meet up with my brother later and get tacos. My pimple. So this vlog is gonna be very, like, sporadic. Is that a word? You're just gonna see random days. I'm sorry, I didn't really do much this week. Yesterday was Valentine's Day. The only thing I did was take my parents out for ice cream and FaceTime Ninin. Yeah. Oh, Ninin's in Rome right now. Yeah, I don't know if he's gonna get any footage or pictures, but yeah, he's in Rome. I'm jealous.
Great.
Tacos Machalcan.
Best taco in town.
Best tacos in my hometown area. Yes. Finally having real Mexican food after 6 months. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
If any of you are watching this and you're from Germany and the only Mexican food you had is Sausalitos, Sausalitos is nothing compared to this. Carne asada burrito, shrimp burrito, and al pastor tacos. Yes, real Mexican food. Yes.
Oops. Yeah, look at all that.
This never happens. I'm the first one done.
I know how.
Oh crap.
This never happens.
Someone's freaking missing.
Welcome back to America.
Sorry if you guys are, like I said the last vlog, it's just gonna be me eating. I'm sorry if you get tired of me eating. Alright, going to the most American store that you can go to. Walmart. Welcome to Walmart. Or how do you say it in German? Willkommen to Walmart. I'm sorry if that was wrong. Please don't yell at me. My dad is buying a new comforter, and he is taking a risk by not asking my mother. Mommy, I hope you like whatever he picks. I've spotted my brother.
Hi. Where'd you guys go?
Daddy's still looking at blankies.
Okay.
Well, comforters, blankies. Let's go find our father.
Okay.
You're too tall. They look like Bisay. No. And now it's sunny.
Welcome to California.
Yeah. We are at Marshall's now. Woo. Ninnin's finally sent me some stuff from Rome. It's pictures. It's cool.
That's cool.
I want to go. Ninnin, if you're watching this, go with me. Take me, please. I want to go. I'm so jealous. Alright, we're trying on a bunch of workout leggings. Yeah, hopefully I like something. Went in with 7 things, came out with 2.
It'd be like that sometimes.
Yeah. I tried 5 different leggings, and this is the only one that was squat proof. Squat proof meaning my undies don't show. The heck? Where'd they go? They left me. What the heck? So I was paying for my stuff, and they just left without me. I ran after my brother's car, and then I ran after my dad's car. In the rain.
I'm sorry.
Thanks. Thanks, guys. Costco.
Get me one. Sorry.
Nice
How you
jacket.
feel? It's the only
Thanks
one?
for leaving
That's how
me.
you feel?
You're welcome.
You guys both left me. Oh, sorry.
Save you from the rain.
I told Daddy I'll meet you guys here.
Anyways, Costco. Woo, Costco.
Woohoo, Costco.
Ooh.
Normal wipes?
Yeah, we pretty much only use normal wipes for her. Oh wait, no, I think they actually do have puppy wipes here.
Let me just wait for Daddy. Decisions.
I know.
So glad I don't need to wear glasses.
Yeah, but people with glasses look more sophisticated.
What are you trying to say? I'm not sophisticated? I got no class?
Yes.
I'm home now. Excuse the mess. Hi, Lisa! Where'd you go? Oh, where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Okay, I'm gonna call Ninnin. Bye! Any waffles? See any waffles? Good morning. We are at IKEA today. What are we doing? I'm with my parents. Per usual. I have no friends. I just hang out with my family.
That's so sad. Put me back. Not true.
All this food only for $6. And we got coffee and tea and a drink. Yeah. IKEA breakfast is the best.
Right?
I don't know.
Mine doesn't have one.
Two?
IKEA has veggie dogs now. Woo. This is exciting. I'm buying house stuff.
I know the feeling.
Woo. I'm a big girl now. I'm buying dishware. I'm an adult. Kind of want one. Mission accomplished. My parents basically just bought candles. Puppy alert! Puppy alert! And there's no one in the car. Oh, look at the puppy. Oh. Welcome to Bay Street. Why is it zoomed in?
H&M where?
Right there. That's H&M man.
So? Never stop me.
Uniqlo. Hi.
Hi.
Aren't my parents cute? Hey. I got a bag. If you guys get anything.
Yeah.
I want to get this.
I want something H&M, but
Oh, you hear me, darling?
what?
I want this.
Oh, what the heck? I didn't see these.
$5 for you.
I know. We can get Marvin some.
Okay.
Want to go in there?
You wanna go there?
Bye, Bay Street. I keep thinking Bay Walk. Bay Walk is Universal Studios, right? Or no, that's City Walk. I'm at Daiso again, but I'm not gonna vlog because I vlogged here last time. So I will see you when I eat. Bye bye.
Oh yeah, it's still sizzling. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, my camera's steaming up. Yum.